Okay, good morning everyone. So today we will be learning quarter 3 of week number 4, which talks about the basic geometric constructions. So what are the things that we will be learning today? There are two important points that we will be learning. That is to perform the basic constructions in geometry using compass and a straight edge or a ruler. And then to apply this knowledge of basic construction to draw geometric figures. So in this lesson, you are required to have your compass and your ruler or the straight edge. So again, please have your compass and straight edge on this lesson. So let us begin our example and our definition of terms. So the bisector is a line that divides something into two equal parts. When you say bisector, it is a line. Line daw siya na nag-divides ng something into two equal parts. Take a look at this example on the figure on the left side. So saan ba yung line dyan? So there are two line here. We have line with an arrow, which is called a line. And a line without arrow with two endpoints, ito po, that is a line segment. So itong line segment na po ito, meron po daw arrow or bisector dyan na nag-divide siya, which is bisector CD. So this line CD here bisects the segment AB. Ibig sabihin po, si AB nahati ng dalawang beses gamit ang tinatawag nating line CD. And line CD is a bisector. Sorry for that. So let's proceed to the next one. Okay, perpendicular bisector. A line perpendicular to another line that divides the original line into two congruent parts. So ang perpendicular bisector naman po, it is bisector, para din siyang line bisector, pero perpendicular siya. Ibig sabihin ng perpendicular, makakreate siya ng 90 degrees na angle. Okay? So, take a look at this example. We have line N here. Line M is the perpendicular bisector of line N. So, we have line N. Ito po, itong linya na ito. Itong may arrow na yan. Then, hinati itong itong line na ito, line N, ni line M, which is a perpendicular bisector. Nakakreate siya ng symbol ng right angle. Itong box dito sa gilid. This is a symbol of a right angle. So, ang tawag sa kanya ngayon is perpendicular bisector. Kaya, line M is the perpendicular bisector of line N. Okay, please copy for your portfolio. Okay. Ano ngayon ang kinalaman nitong figure na nandito sa left? Ito po. Anong tawag niyan? Okay, very good. So, it's compass. Compass po ang tawag niyan. So, when you say compass, it is an instrument used to draw circles and arcs. It is also used to get the distances between points consisting of two arms linked by a movable joint, one arm ending in a point, and the other usually carrying a pencil or pen. So, yan po yung compass. So, ang compass po, nakaka-create siya ng circle or arcs. It is also a movable joint na nagme-measure ng mga angles. So, how do we use compass? So, we all know how to use compass, right? Because it has been our mathematics material when we were in elementary. So, how do we use that one? So, basically, yung arm niya po, na-open yun siya in left side and right side. So, i-open lang po yun siya. Depende sa angle na gusto nyo. And sa pag-open nyo ng angle, meron nakalagay doon sa gilid na 45 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle, 180 degrees angle. Sundin lang po yun kung ilan po yung angles na gagamitin ninyo. Okay, so let's have this straight edge. Straight edge, or known as the ruler, is used to guide in making a straight line or figure. So, straight edge, tulad ng example na ito, ruler. This is inch. So, half inch, 1 and 1/2, 2 and 1/2, 3 and 1/2. Yan po yung ginagamit nating ruler or straight edge. Okay, let's have these examples. How are we going to construct segment congruent to a given segment? Take a look at this example. We have line segment XY. Take a look at this XY. Ito po. This one segment XY. Then, construct line segment AB congruent to XY. So, how are we going to construct similar to XY? Pero, ang kanyang pangalan is AB na ngayon, hindi na XY. So of course, you are going to use your ruler and draw a line and indicate a point A on the line. So mag-draw daw kayo ng linya. Tulad nito, mag-draw kayo ng linya. Tapos maglagay lang ng point A dyan gamit ang inyong ballpen or lapis. Next, step 2. Fix compass opening to match the length of XY. So, i-open nyo yung compass ninyo na kung saan yung left point or left part ng compass, yung pin nasa X at saka yung lapis nasa Y. Then, yung gidrawing nyo kanina na linya sa step 1, ipatong nyo yung point dyan na hindi nyo ginagalaw ang inyong compass. Tapos, mag-draw kayo ng maliit na curve dito sa gilid gamit ang inyong compass na hindi nagalaw. Take note, hindi dapat galawin ang compass. Bakit? Di ba pag measure nyo kanina sa XY gamit ang compass, kung ano yung measure niya dyan, dapat makuha nyo yun siya dito din sa kabila. Then, makakreate na kayo ngayon ng AB na tinatawag. Now, what if hindi nyo kaya i-draw itong example number 1. Now, we have examples this one on YouTube. Just type the title, construct a segment congruent to a given segment. Ganun po. Marami na po yung maglabas. Okay? So, that is example number 1. Now, are you going to answer this one? Yes, you are going to draw example number 1. So, expected on this lesson, you are going to have an output of 6 outputs. So that's the construction of segment congruent to a given segment. So this is example number 1. Gagawin nyo po ito. This is worth 20 points I think. Wait lang ha, itingnan ko muna. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 points. Accuracy, 5 points. Neatness, 5 points. Creativity, 5 points. Effort, 5 points. Kapag ang angles, curves, lines are correctly constructed, you have 5 points. If it is very neat, no erasures, 5 points. If it is a original design, creative, 5 points. And effort, the project looks complete, that is another 5 points. 4 points naman po, and 3 and 2, and yan po yung ating mga may lacking activities at saka may mga erasures. Okay? So, we'll go back tayo sa example number 2. So, yun po yung una nyong gagawin. Construct a segment congruent to a given segment. Ito po yung example. Next. Next yung activity is this. Construct an angle congruent to a given angle. So, given, angle C. Take a look at this. Ito po yung given natin. Construct angle D congruent to angle C. Meron ka ngayong ginawa na angle D. Ito po. Tapos, dapat makawa ka ngayon ng parehong pagkakagawa kay angle C. So, step 1. Draw an arbitrary arc with a center C. Gagawa daw kayo ng arc na merong center C tulad nitong ginawa niya dito gamit ang compass. Then, with the same compass, setting to redraw the arc with center D. Gagawa din kayo ng isang linya na may center na D tapos guhitan nyo yung the same length ng compass kanina ng ginawa ninyo, sinulatan ninyo. Gagawa din kayo ng arc sa kabilang linya. Okay? Next, measure the arc between the sides of the original angle, then mark off this measure on the arc with the center D. Next, yung opening po ng inyong compass kanina sa letters sa angle C, i-open nyo ulit ngayon yun siya sa compass ng opening ng inyong ginawang lines. Then, you copy that opening, gawa kayo ng arc dito sa line D ninyo. Next, step 3, join the mark on D. Kung saan nag-cross ang inyong, di ba kanina nag-draw kayo dito ng, yan po, yung arc, yan. Tapos nag-draw kayo ngayon ng arc, another arc dito. Kung saan sila nag-cross, kunyari dyan sila nag-cross, dyan maglagay kayo ng dot. Tulad ng ginawa niya dito, naglagay siya ng dot. Then, yung gamit ang ruler, gi-connect niya si D papunta dyan. So, that is now the example of the angle, copying of an angle. So, if you don't know how to make this one or nahirapan kayo sa instruction ko, construct an angle congruent to a given angle. I-type nyo lang po yan sa inyong YouTube search box. Then, lalabas na po yung maraming example. Okay? So, yan na muna ang gagawin natin for this activity today. So, goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless. Dalawang activity po, that's 40 points. For example 1 and example number 2. So, goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.